Welcome to Primary Assembly. This last week we've been having great fun thinking about Zambia Week. We've been creating, we've been making, we've been dancing, we've been singing, we've been having such fun. In the next assembly, for the whole school, you'll be able to see some of the performances that Primary have been taking part in. I hope you enjoy this assembly.
This week's Eagle Merits, I only have one today, is to Michelle in Year 6 for great science investigation skills. Keep working hard, Eagles.
This week's Falcon Merits go to Chengelo in Year 2 for a positive attitude and lovely work in all areas. Chimwemwe in Year 2 for an excellent work attitude. Leonardo for being able to give directions in French. Dylan for being very helpful in class. Lucas in Year 5 for his enthusiastic participation and effort in grammar. Zach for his excellent energy and enthusiasm in math. Mumba in Year 6 for great science investigation skills.
This week's Hawk Merits go to George in Year 1 for working independently in numeracy and math. Well done. Lukandu in Year 1 for trying hard to focus hard in class. Hamna in Year 1 for great effort in all her work. Skylar in Year 2 for enthusiastic work this week. Ariana for writing an excellent introduction paragraph for autobiography. Cora in Year 3 for putting a lot of effort in all her work. Noor in Year 4 for settling back well into Baobab. Dumasani in Year 5 for excellent participation in lessons. Nonya in Year 5 for excellent understanding of CAN mechanisms. Jaden in Year 6 for great science investigation skills. Well done, Hawk.
Been lots of hard work been going on, and the winning house for this last 2 weeks goes to Hawk. Well done, Hawk.
Good morning, everyone. I am presenting the AR certificates, and for this week all of our AR certificates are for Year 3s, so well done Year 3s for your reading. Remember, you get an award and a certificate read out in assembly when you move up to the new award. So congratulations to Sammy. I'm very, very proud of you for your Independent Reader Award. We have another Independent Reader Award, and this goes to Cheleleko. I am so proud of how well you are reading. Keep up the great work. And finally, our last Reader Award is for our Rising Reader, and that is to Anna. Congratulations, Anna. I'm very, very proud of you. So the rest of the year groups, let's keep reading. Let's keep rising up those levels, and then we can get lots and lots of awards. So congratulations to those children, and keep reading.
Morning, everybody. This week's PE stars of the week are as follows. The first one is Josephine Madaika for her excellent performance in endurance training in our cross-country running. The second one goes to Andoni Spanu for excellent performance also in our endurance training during our PE lessons. Well done. Thank you.
Good morning, everybody. The 2 awards from myself go to Hamna Patel for a fantastic performance in her volleyball. Well done, Hamna. The next one goes to Chris for excellent effort in PE. Keep it up, have a good holiday, and we will see you back on the field soon.
Thank you for watching our Merit Assembly this week. It brings us to the end of this very first half of term. We've had great fun being back in school, and I think you can see from these photographs just how happy our children are. Have a wonderful half-term break, everybody. Keep safe, and we look forward to seeing you very soon.